Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the big get it again. And today we are doing a cute winter tutorial, glossy eyelid, nothing crazy. So I'm going in with my Beauty of Colors palette. I will leave the link to that down below. And I'm just using like a dark plumish color with a dark cranberry looking color, and I'm just using that and just putting that all over my lid, guys. I already have my eyebrows done. If you guys are interested in this hair, it is a wig that I made and colored, so I'll also leave that down below so you guys can check. And guys, before you get deep into this video, honey, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, okay? Smash that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. If you're not into makeup, I have so many other videos. And honestly, guys, this is my quick, glossy eyelid thing, tutorial, regimen, routine, whatever. So I'm going in with this Anastasia lip gloss. You can honestly use any lip gloss. If you guys don't want to use the actual lip gloss applicator, you can just use a brush, but me, I don't use this lip gloss as often, so I said, hey, what the hell, I'm just gonna put it over my lid. I was being lazy, but yeah, I was gonna use the Fenty Gloss Bomb, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna use this one instead. I think it'll bring out my eyes a little more. So this look honestly didn't come out exactly how I wanted it, but it did. I end up liking it as soon as I was finished. So yes, y'all, some people don't try glossy lids, but I've been seeing them a lot lately, and I will definitely do more. So here I'm just taking a eyeshadow brush, and I'm just like, blending it out a little more because it started to crease. And that's one thing you will get with glossy lids. So I already moisturized my face. I'm going in with my favorite primer, which is the Milk Hydrating Gel, Pro Gel, something like that primer. Guys, when I have time, I will list everything that I use, but I love this primer, guys. It's so gooey, and it just makes your foundation stick to your face. It's like so bomb. Like it's great. So guys, I finally got my foundation brush from Juvia's Place. I ordered it, and I freaking love it. Like it's amazing. I don't know why I didn't get it before. And right here I am trying out a new color. I went a shade darker, and this one is called Accra from, I think this is in 3 or 2, I don't know, guys, but this one is Accra. And I decided to go darker. I just wanted to see and try out a different color, because the first one I got was Kampala, which is 340, so I went down to 320. So this is 320, and it probably looks crazy when I'm putting it on, guys, but once it oxidizes, you guys will see that it's like bomb.com. So a lot of my face products are definitely from Juvia's Place, which is a good thing. And yeah, I love that, guys. Yo, this brush though, like this foundation brush is freaking amazing. I don't think y'all know how amazing this brush is. Like your makeup just like effortlessly just I don't know. The only thing I don't like about this brush is that it's white. The top part is white, so if you do get messy, which I do, it's crazy. So I am using the Juvia's Place Magic Concealer, and this shade is in J 13, I believe. Yeah, I think this is in shade 13. I use this as my highlighting shade. And guys, I'm using a lot because this is a light sheer type of concealer. So I like to just pack it on so that it's enough. And then I also use the shade 7 to contour. I took that part out. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I'm just contouring my forehead, nose, cheekbones, and jawline. I am setting my makeup with the Juvia's Place setting powder. Love this setting powder so much. I forgot which one this is, y'all. Again, I'll leave it down below. But this is like the yellowish looking one. And I love this setting powder so much. Ever since I got it a few months ago, I really can't stop using it. I just realized that all my products are like Juvia's Place in this video. Should definitely get sponsored, but you know how that goes. So I am contouring with the Crayon Case Contour Stitching Notebook. And the two darkest shades, I like to go and, you know, just go over the cream concealer that I use. I like to just go over it just to set it and intensify my contour. Contour that double chin, honey. Contour that double chin. So yes, guys, this is like my quick glossy eyelid look. I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'm just going with my waterline with the same dark color. This is almost like a purplish color as well, but it's coming off like a, yeah. But yeah, it's coming off like a burgundy-ish kind of color. But yeah, I just wanted to go over my waterline. I feel like that intensifies this look. And now I'm just going to blend and dust away that setting powder. So guys, just like I said, I have so many other makeup videos that you guys can watch. If you guys are not feeling this one, let me know if you guys are feeling this look, you know. I honestly wanted to do, I was just feeling to do like a glossy lid. I seen something on my forehead. I was like, what the hell is that? So yes, guys, I did add some lashes. This is not a brand or anything. I just added some lashes. And my favorite setting spray, guys, All Nighter, Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I stopped using this, but once they rebranded and changed the formula, I was like obsessed and I had to have it. So I'm going in with this highlighter. I'll leave the name to it down below. And yeah, it's like, I just freaking love it because it has like nice hints of like chromey, peachy vibes or whatever. So I felt like it went with this look. So I decided to, you know, glow my face up with it. Feel me? So yes, guys, that all-nighter spray is definitely the bomb. I love it so much. Like, I used to use Slay all day, but now I use the I use that one. So this has been my lip routine for the past few months. Honestly, I love this look. It just makes my lips look nice and plump and juicy, and I love it. So I go in with a brown lipstick first, and I line my lips with it. I could just use a liner, but I feel like the lipstick is better. And these two lipsticks are from Colored Rain. And then I go in with a nudish mauvey looking color in the center of my lips, and I just like kind of blend it out by smacking my lips together. So I'm giving you all different shades of burgundy, mahogany, not burgundy, sorry, mahogany, fire-ish, orangey colors and all that stuff there. To me, this looks like winter, you know, it's a nice, pretty, balm look. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.